Hi, it's Pete Lavelle, the Crazy Commissioner, coming to you, and I'm showing you what we have put together. My son and I have put together in the patrol kit that we have for his summer project. He's the one behind the camera. I wanted to have him explain it, but he's a little camera shy, so I'm here doing it. There's a lot of discussion in regards to what people put in their patrol boxes or what they have. A lot of people have chuck boxes, the old wooden patrol boxes, so we're trying to do everything a little bit more lightweight instead of relying also on a lot of troop gear like a lot of people do for his patrol. And a lot of patrols actually should be self-sufficient and self-reliant. So a lot of the gear that we have, everything comes to less than $200 if people get together and do things and to toss some money in. I understand some people can't afford it, but what we've done was we took some stuff and added some stuff, and so here we are. We're able to put all this stuff here in one of those $20 Walmart lockable totes. So 2 boys can easily pick it up. 1 adult easily can pick it up. So here we are with the gear. So I'll explain it real quick. So what we did was we did some thrift shop stops. So we have a saucepan and a frying pan. We have a cook pot. Inside the pot, we have a mitt. We have another pot of water. We have some plastic bags. Inside here, measuring cup. We also have another container to boil water, and inside that I put the toilet paper to hold it there. So sometimes you know how it is when you go to camps. And instead of one of these huge can openers, we got one of these little tiny, like a P38 style can opener. We have cooking utensils. We have, of course, chopsticks, just in case we have cooked some Chinese, some serving plates, strainer. And these here are these plastic containers that you put food in. These are excellent. These are like the disposable ones. However, you can use as a plate and as a bowl, and they are extremely cheap. So if they break, you can always replace it. It's $2.50 at the restaurant store for 6 of them. So got a pretty good deal. Leftover ketchup bottle, self-explanatory. Put your pancake mix in there, add your water, shake it up, put it right into the saucepan, frying pan, whatever pan. You don't have that big mess. We have 2 butane stoves. We have the butane fuel. Inside this butane stove, what I did was I put the sharp knives and stuff on the side so this way it's protected. Nobody's going to cut their fingers open. Have a tarp already ready to set up, called a cordage. All you got to do is string it up, find the trees, you got to string it up by. Cutting utensil instead of an axe. Close this up. And we also have a shovel. We also have, I'll provide a link for this, but this is your portable patrol kit, whatever. It has your first aid kit and stuff in there, which should first come out. So I'll put a link up there. Take a look at that. In regards to drinking, stuff like that, thank God for the OA and other places. We got several cups we're able to put in here. And of course, his patrol, bourgeois. You actually got actual silverware that we had picked up from the thrift store long ago, cleaned it up, stuck it in here. So the boys do not have to bring all that extra gear. And in order to clean, we have 3 containers. So just in case anybody asks, you don't have a mixing bowl or anything like that, here's something that's a little controversial. You could take a gallon freezer bag, put your item in there, mix it up, pour it, whatever you got to do. The other reason why I like doing it that way, like I said, it's kind of controversial, but at the end of the day, when you have all your trash that you need to get rid of, you can put it in a trash bag, seal it up, and toss it in the trash bag. So, any questions, concerns, or anything, please comment below. Anyway, if you like what you saw, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Other than that, you all have a good one. Carpe diem. Here we go. One thing I did forget, because we're talking about sustainability and everything else. This was the most expensive piece of gear that we purchased, and I forgot to bring this up. Instead of bringing those huge 5-gallon jugs and you're pulling them around, I actually went and we got this MSR dromedary bag. So it holds 10 liters of water. They also have the attachment that you can put a little spigot on there, or you can get a little shower thing if you need it. but 10 liters of water. So this way you're not wasting water, you're not filling it up, and then at the end of the day, dumping it out. Oh, and by the way, to make bug juice and iced tea and all these other things, that's why you have the cups. Then you go ahead and you have the iced tea mix, put it in there instead of putting them in big containers, and half it gets used and then you're dumping it out. So we're trying to keep, we're trying to make the planet better than what we left it. So anyway, everybody have one. Again, Carpe Diem. Attitude does reflect leadership. And I'll talk to you all soon.